What are enzymes? Let's explore these essential biological molecules. Enzymes are biological catalysts. They speed up chemical reactions without being used up. Each enzyme fits only one substrate, like a lock and key. This is called enzyme specificity. Enzymes work best at an optimum temperature and pH. Too much heat denatures them. Remember, enzymes are specific catalysts that need optimal conditions and can be activated from inactive forms. Subscribe to Ovasaabi for more lessons. Visit ovasaabi.com.